How you doing? My name is TreniuS, and you're tuned into the famous Living Realm Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. So as you can see, we're still out here at South Point Park in Miami Beach, Florida, South Beach. Basically paradise. Just look around, look at the beautiful palm trees. It's nice out here, it's gorgeous. It's about 80 degrees, yeah, early in the morning, okay? But in this video, I'm gonna tell you how I got here, okay? I'm gonna tell you how I made the secret law of attraction work for me, and I'm gonna tell you how the secret law of attraction can work for you. And after this video, if you do exactly what I tell you to do, you're gonna have amazing results, okay? I promise you, you're gonna have amazing results. Now, one thing you gotta know about the secret law of attraction is that it's always working. Whether we believe it or not, it's always working, okay? That's one thing I realized on my journey. I realized that the secret law of attraction was working even when I didn't think it was working. So once upon a time, I used to be unconscious, completely oblivious to the fact that what I was saying was creating my reality, you know? The things that I was thinking was creating my reality, you know? And so what you practically have to do in order to make the secret law of attraction work for you is you have to change the way you think about your reality. Now you might say to yourself, what does this mean, TreniuS? What do you mean change the way I think about my reality? Basically what I'm saying is you have to stop thinking traditional thoughts. That's one thing that you probably have to do. You have to stop thinking about what other people think about you, because it's all about you. This is your reality. You're creating your very own experiences, you know? You're creating your very own experiences. And so what you have to do is you have to keep in mind that this is your life. You know, you're creating it at all times, you know? And so you have to become an imaginative thinker. Like I said, you have to get back to being a kid again, okay? You have to start using your creative right brain again, okay? Because when you're working with the secret laws of the universe, folks, the universe don't think like people, okay? That's why you're probably seeing repeating numbers. That's why you're seeing all these mysterious things. I know a lot of REM team members who I talk to regularly. They's always like, Trent, man, I see this synchronicity today, man. I swear to God, this person looked just like me. Oh man, I was out in public. I went to the coffee shop and I met this girl. She had my name too. Oh man, don't you know what I did? I was in the store today, and when I dropped this notebook I was buying for my son, this person right beside me dropped his notebook too. And I'm like, hey, welcome to the secret universal laws, folks. These things are not common to the naked eye, but when you totally commit yourself to trusting in the secret laws of the universe, you will experience things that you never have experienced before. And if you know how to use them, you will get amazing results. And like I said, that's something that I learned along my journey. When I started seeing all this weird and these strange things happening, at the very beginning, it was scary. Like it was super scary. Like I would go to bed at night and I would be frightened for my life. You know, things would just be happening that were not normal. You know, and I was just like, man, like, you know, what is this? What is happening to me? Am I going crazy? You know, I already knew I was different from everybody else. I already knew I was an outcast. I was already interested in things of the unknown. You know, but when I started seeing those monarch butterflies flying around, I said, you know what? This means something. I'm gonna look it up and see what it means. And I started to commit myself to the secret laws of the universe, and I started to make this power that I was seeing work for me, okay? So in order to make the secret law of attraction work for you and to get amazing results, you have to simply apply yourself to everything that's happening and just take it in, okay? You have to see it as this is a part of you. This is a part of your divine nature. You know, when you see divine things happening that you can't explain, or if you try to ask somebody, hey man, did you see that? And they be like, what, man, are you talking crazy or something? You can't even worry about what they say. Only you can see it out of your own two eyes. This is for you. And that's why at the very beginning of every one of my videos, I always say divine powers are working for us because we're doing right. And folks, that's how I literally manifested into being out here at the very bottom of the map. Nice, right? At the very bottom of the map down here in South Beach, Florida. I've had a great vacation time out here, and I look forward to going to many more spots in the future that I'm gonna manifest. All because I learned how to use the secret law of attraction and how to make it work for me. The things that you see are for you, okay? But you got to know how to commit yourself and apply yourself to living a totally different lifestyle than what you ever knew before, okay? So when these strange, phenomenal things begin to happen, it's all for your very own good, okay? So this is how you make the secret law of attraction work for you. Simply just apply yourself and just love it. Just love the experiences, okay? So with that being said, folks, if this video resonated with you, give the video a thumbs up, all right? I am your life coach. If you need a session with me, make sure that you go to the comment section, and at the very top I have my email. Simply just send me an email and say, TreniuS, I want a session. I am your life coach and I'm here to help you. Okay, in the meantime, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking my face icon. Yeah, that's me. Oh, make sure you hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos. In the meantime, check out one of these 2 videos right here. Peace.